Okay, this is part 2 of extraction of Stychnnine and Brucine in 500 millimeters of 99% isopropyl alcohol and 5 millimeters of pyridine to help extract. I have right here, as you can see, there we go, zoom in a bit. That's that yellow solution. And if I have over here, test for it, sodium dichromate. Sodium dichromate and hydrochloric acid. It tests positive for strychnine and other compounds. Like right here. It turned green. It was black, but it turned green after a few seconds. This is the chromic acid test for strychnine. And I did do a Dragondroff reagent, but because of the complex molecule of the alkaloid, I didn't get any results for that. It was negative. Nothing happened, so here goes. I'm gonna put in a few drops of this. I'm gonna make this into a repellent / pesticide for insects. It will repel insects because it's such a bitter compound, and the acetone will just evaporate away. So I'm putting the stopper back in place, and it was boiling for a very, very long period of time. And that's about 3 millimeters of sample. And here's the red solution. It will last only for about 6 hours. I don't know if this is conclusive or not, but if you can see it very clearly, it's giving off vapors of hydrochloric acid with reaction, but it's starting to turn black on the bottom, and the precipitate's forming. I should be wearing gloves, but it's quite corrosive, but I'm not touching it, so therefore it's effective. And now, as you can see, a little bit more in the light, it's turning black. Maybe what I should do is add more of the alkaloid to see if there's any change. I don't know, like this. Yeah, I can see a little precipitate forming at the bottom, and man, those fumes are potent. But this is quite a good positive test for strychnine. It turned, it is kind of hard to see. I'll show you again in the light, but there are some particles that are on the bottom. There's some particles on the bottom that are forming, and I think that's strychnine mixing with the dichromic acid, or sodium dichromate and hydrochloric acid. This test is not very good because the ethanol or alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, whatever you use, reacts with the dichromate to convert it to +6 state chromium to +3, so it rapidly turns color. But it does give a definite proof that there are alkaloids in there. I know there are alkaloids. I know that's besides using HPLC or a spot test with thin layer chromatography. This is the best I can do for now. Thanks for watching. I think this is quite interesting that small amounts of strychnine can be extracted and made into a pesticide repellent. I don't see the point of of people using Stychnnine or Brucine as a herbal because it's just way too poisonous. I mean, you should not be using it because you overdose and it's a convulsive poison that can easily kill you. So that's one of my advices, but I think it's an interesting compound. Thanks for watching.